think of the spaghetti and meatballs?
Wow, the spaghetti is good. It's not overcooked. It's perfect. The sauce is perfect. It could get more of a red shape, but I will say it's perfect. The meatball inside, it looks a little bit very light, but outside it's perfect. And the sauce needs a little bit more of vegetables.
And Lisa, what do you think of the spaghetti
Wait.
and meatball?
The spaghetti is perfect, and the meatball is perfect, and the sauce is perfect.
Fantastic. A rating out of 10?
I'm rating out of 10.
Thank you.